I'm getting ready to go to dinner with my boyfriend's mom and his brother. My boyfriend's dad passed away in 2015, so he really values his relationship with his mom. We're going in an hour, so I definitely have to do a natural glam because I don't have a lot of time. You definitely want to find a guy that has a good relationship with his mom, because if he treats her well, he's gonna treat you well. Sometimes it's too much though, like moms are crazy over their sons. We're gonna go to this nice restaurant where I love to get wine, but I'm not drinking until my birthday in a few weeks. And I'm so sad that we're gonna go there and I'm not gonna be able to get my wine. Wow, I really think my life is hard. I really do. It is not. Whenever I whine about stuff like that, I reel it in and remind myself that people are starving and dying. And there are people who literally can't walk. So I did some self-care before this makeup look. I did a face mask and my skin looks so good. My birthday is the 22nd of September. Guess my zodiac sign. Also, I want you guys to help me pick an outfit because I want to look cute. Don't want to look like a slob in front of his mom. Even though she's literally seen me in a sweatsuit, looking like a hobo, no makeup. I feel pretty without makeup, but you know what I mean. I want to look fancy and nice at this fancy restaurant we're going to. Let's put some green concealer on this nasty pimple. And then let's put some around the nose because it gets red. This is the NYX color corrector in green, and this covers any redness. I'm just going to fill in my brows really, really lightly with this NYX brow pencil in taupe. And then I'm using some of this e.l.f. hydrating concealer and putting it on my eyelids. I am so freaking excited for my birthday. I feel like my birthday is just an event. You know, it's just an excuse to celebrate and have a good time. And me and my friends always celebrate birthdays for like a week. I'm thinking of going to Seattle for my birthday. Where do you guys think I should go? I'm going to take some light brown shadow and put it in my crease. I also really want to do like a meetup. Would any of you guys want to meet up with me? I feel like the town I live in is really small and there probably aren't a lot of people that follow me. Actually, there's this one girl who literally knows where I live, which is so creepy. She told someone, and then she told someone I know that she saw me walking in or out of my house and that she waited outside my house and like watched me coming in and out. I am so creeped out by that. I get creeped out really easily, but that's creepy. That's why I chose to do makeup online though, because I didn't want any male followers. And whenever I tried to do body positive posts, straight men would always find my posts. Okay, applying lashes. I am obsessed with these lashes. I wear them all the time. I'm just gonna curl the falsies a bit. Applying foundation all around the contour. Go to part 2, I ran out of time.